How to put header on only one page on Google Doc. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open your document. Once you do, simply click at the top of your file. Now go to Insert from your ribbon. Then choose the option of Header. Choose any one of the header which you want to add. Now once the header has been included in all the pages, in order to include the header in only first page or one page, simply toggle on the feature in design section that says different first page. Once you tick on it, you can simply write the header in your first page and click on enter. Once you do, this header will only be included in the particular page which you have chosen. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.